Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the petals from your bike. First thing you're going to want to do is spray a bit of penetrating fluid and let that soak in for a little bit. So we're working on the right side of the bike, so you're going to want to go anti-clockwise on the chain side. Some petals can be really stuck like this one. It's been soaking for a few hours in oil, but oil loosens it up really good. You'll also use the pedal crank as a lever, so instead of having it over here, like this, put it over here, that way you can push and pull on the crank. Pedal might be a bit tough to get off sometimes, so that's why I always like to use a bit of penetrating fluid. That's the first pedal off. We go to the other side. So now that we're on the left side back, spray a bit of oil. Let it soak in for a bit. This side you're gonna want to go clockwise. Some pedals might also have an Allen wrench key at the end, so you can also use that as well. For putting the pedal back in, it's always a good idea to put a bit of lubrication in there, that way your pedals don't get stuck on. You'll want to find your left pedal signalized by a little L. This one goes in the left. Start hand tightening it. Might also have to spin it backwards to get the thread started a bit. Once it's hand tightened, tighten it to 10 Newton meters. 10 Newton meters is about how much you can pull with one finger. Process for the other side's the same. Find the right pedal. Start threading it by hand. If you have an end cap, put that on now. Just for an example of why you should use oil, this pedal doesn't have any oil on it. It does break loose, but it's very difficult. If you found this video helpful, maybe click that like button and don't forget your end caps.